This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Jeff Kelly. Just in time for summer. 4-bed, 3.5 bath home with pool, outdoor cooking area and covered back porch. Inside, check out the newer wood floors, huge game room, and the kitchen has a bar and an island with granite, stainless appliances, the works. Isolated master suite has a jetted tub, huge shower and closet, has lots of built-ins. This property needs nothing, just move right in. Oh yeah, and there's no HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Kelly at 817-781-0546.